First question.
Parang businesswoman.
What is the boiling point of water in
Boiling.
degrees Celsius?
Hot boiling.
Huh?
Ay, boiling.
Boiling point of...
60?
100 degrees.
Correct, si Zaya. Okay, good.
I learned it at Delhi.
I
Mm.
don't know.
Which organ helps us breathe?
Lungs.
Okay, sabay. Bato, bato, pick. Bato, bato, pick. Bato, bato, pick.
Finally!
What do you call the process when water turns into vapor?
Huh?
Kuan.
Huh?
Deforestation.
Huh?
Deforestation. Kuan.
What do you call a process when water turns into vapor?
So, like gas.
Dili ipod siya gas, basta
Smoke.
process siya.
Pag.
Pag ang
Kuan. Wait, sa tawag ba?
pag ang water gikan diri sa earth mo saka siya dito sa clouds.
So, rain.
Mahimo siyang rain. Pag before siya mahimong rain, ginasuyop pa na siya dito sa taas, mato siya sa clouds. Mahimo mo siyang vapor.
Kalimot ko.
From the word vapor.
Vaporation.
Okay, hint. Starts with letter E.
Evaporation.
Okay. Sabay mo?
Oh.
Okay, go. Bato, bato, pig. Eh, mara, shit, mo ka na. Ngani, ano mo ka? Pildi na ka, uy.
Ngawag ko, anak siya.
Mala, ito tagong si Zaya. Okay, na mo ka. Papil mo tayo mo, yung gana. What is the largest organ of the human body?
Skin.
Okay, good.
Okay.
What is the star at the center of our solar system?
Sun.
Okay, sun. Very good. What number comes before 100?
On.
What number comes before 100?
99.
Okay.
Ay!
Nine.
So maka So mo na emoji. Bato na. Abil di ka. Who is the wizard that has a lightning scar?
Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba?
Elfa ba? Dili.
Wizard. Si Oz.
Naa siya scar dere nga murag lightning
Harry Potter?
siyang okay, very good, Harry Potter. What shape has three sides?
Triangle.
Oh, nice.
Ay,
Huh? What gas do plants release?
Tree. Ay, green.
What gas?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Okay, very good. What planet is the largest in our solar system?
Jupiter. Ay, di.
Tama.
Yeah, Jupiter.
What element is used in pencils?
In pencils?
Oh.
Ano ba rin na element ng pencils?
Oh, kanang itom nga kanang inyong ginagamit pag sulat.
Wait!
Wood.
Dili. Katong
Ay,
wood
iron?
sa gawas. Pero
Iron?
katong dili,
No?
not iron. Pero you're in the right track.
Mga periodic table.
Oh, nasa sa periodic table.
Hydrogen, no. Ay,
Mhm.
dili.
Hydrogen is for water. It starts with letter C.
Carbon.
Correct. Okay, carbon.
I love the periodic tables.
Okay. What continent is the coldest in the world? Coldest.
Europe?
Nope.
Antarctica.
Very good.
Wait,
Antarctica.
that's a continent?
Yes, that's a continent. What line divides the Earth into northern and southern hemisphere?
Say,
Remember mo atong sa globe nga naay mo rag line?
ay,
Invisible
kuan,
line.
kuan! Equator!
Equator. Okay.
okay.
What is the capital of Japan?
Tokyo.